Hello, welcome. Today we will learn that how we can create an API from Vimeo. Okay, so what you have to search is Vimeo Developer Console. As you can see that it is giving me the first link which is of Developer API of Vimeo. Okay, so now we will click on the first link to get redirected to a developer option. Now you can see that you have to start it from here. So just click on get started. As I am already logged in to my Vimeo account, that is why it is not asking me to log in. As first you have to log in into your Vimeo account, then you have to click on the developer option. Now as I am already logged in, so it is asking me for create a new app. Now we will write a new app name. Let us an example of test ONE. Now we will write some description about our app. We will write this is a test app. Now it, it will ask you to enable the access to your app. Right now we will select no, the only Vimeo account that will access to the app and other Vimeo account besides my account will be able to access. Right now I am selecting no and I am agree to every license and agreement. Before proceed, you just read the license agreement and Vimeo terms of services from here. Okay, after reading this, just click on create app. As you can see that my theme application is created now. As you can see that here is my client identifier, and next what I have to do is I have to get the permission to upload. As when I click here request upload access, then my request will be uploaded to Vimeo. It will take some 24 or 48 hours to get request back. Now when you will scroll down, you will see the client secrets, and also you can add some more. Now as you can see that here is authorized URL and here is access token of URL. At the bottom you can add a callback URL. Now when you will click on add URL, a pop-up window opens and you can create one. As now I'm not entering any callback URL. Now we will request upload access. When you will request, it will ask you some permissions like will you be charging for test one? Right now we will select no just because it is a test app. Now where will these videos will be uploaded? We will select a my account, and who created these videos? Let's select I created these videos. What kind of videos will be uploaded? I will write here just for the test purpose, and I will click on request upload to get the upload access. As you can see that my upload access is being reviewed, and it is being reviewed for 24 or 48 hours. And when after getting the upload access, you can use your API. Thank you for watching this.